Today I have two upgrades that I've been wanting for a really long time now. You guys have heard me talk about it before and I am super excited about it. Now the only question is it for my farm truck, my X3, or my Cummins? Unfortunately, as much as I would want to dump more money into this Cummins, the upgrade is not for this truck. It's not Frank either. You guys know that this truck is going up for sale soon, so we're not putting any more money into this truck, so that only leaves one more option. That is right, guys. We have some upgrades for the Can-Am X3 today. So as you can tell, driving without a windshield kind of sucks. Not only you have to worry about your hat blowing off, you got to put it backwards, you got to wear goggles. If you're going 80 miles an hour, which this Can-Am can do, it can go over 80 miles an hour. My fastest I've gone is about 88 on a stock machine, stock motor, stock turbo, everything like that. So definitely a way to fix you getting hit by wind, debris, bugs, anything that comes straight through the front is going to be hitting you straight in the face. So that's why today we're installing a brand new windshield. Kimimoto was nice enough to send a windshield out for my Can-Am X3 to test and review. The Can-Am Maverick X3 full heavy-duty scratch-resistant windshield is super easy to install and takes less than 10 minutes. It's made out of 5mm PMMA and is hard-coated to protect against scratching, cracking, and yellowing. All it takes to install are the 6 straps included in the kit for a perfect fit. All right, there it is. There is the brand new windshield brought to you by Kimimoto. Definitely go check them out. They have tons of Can-Am parts and other accessories for other makes and models. So definitely go check them out. Link will be in the description below. Let's go ahead and go on a test drive and see how well this windshield keeps the wind out of my face. What up? So man, right off the bat, obviously windshield is definitely going to help a ton, and let me tell you what, man, this is one of the best things that you can buy for your side-by-side other than performance mods. You just don't want to get hit by things that are coming through the front of the side-by-side, rain, dirt, mud, snow, whatever it be, cold weather. A windshield is always a good thing to have, and it is crystal clear. You can't even see that I have a windshield unless you look down at the gasket that they put on this windshield, so it makes it a nice firm fit that no air is going to get through. There's no gasket here at the top, but everything that's coming off the windshield is shooting up over the roof, so you don't really get any air coming through the top. But it's a nice clean fit. You got 6 buckles that hold it down. You got 2 right there, 2 right here, 1 right there, and 1 right there. And honestly, I like it. I like that my speakers are now louder because I don't have the wind blowing in my ear, and I usually have to have these up pretty high to be able to hear them if I'm going pretty fast. Really loud now that the sound is bouncing off the windshield and coming straight at me, and I don't have wind interference in my ear. I like that I'm not getting hit by the wind anymore. At night, I'm definitely gonna like it when I don't get hit with bugs because I have the light bar on and my lights on. I see all the bugs coming at me and I'm always dodging my head trying not to get hit by them. So that's definitely a plus. I definitely am gonna like that. Overall, I really like this design. Super easy to install. You guys saw that I installed it probably less than 5 minutes to install it. Not hard at all. Take the windshield, slot it down into the middle. I would do the top ones first and then go ahead and do the sides, and then after you drive it probably a couple times, go ahead and re-tighten everything down just as stuff settles, and you should be good to go. But that is not it, guys. We have one more upgrade to do for this Can-Am. It just has not came in the mail yet, so we'll see you guys in a couple days. One downside with putting a windshield on your side-by-side, you get something called the vacuum effect. Basically, the vacuum effect, when you add a windshield, no air is being able to get inside of the cab of the side-by-side, so it takes the next place it can go. So all of the dirt that's coming off of your tires comes right in through this tiny little hole right here, and we have a fix for that today. We got some door inserts from Kimimoto. These things are pretty heavy duty. They have a metal frame with the plastic housing, and this is some pretty good high quality products right here. It actually has the seal around the edge so that it will seal up all of the air and all of the dirt from not flying in. We're gonna go ahead and put these on the Can-Am real quick and see how they look. They should turn out pretty awesome. All right, guys, I'm super excited and happy how these things turned out. They have a good, nice weather seal that's gonna keep all of the air and mud and rain and whatever else you're trying to keep out of this door. It's gonna definitely keep it out. It's definitely gonna help with the suction. Whenever I was driving the last couple of days, all of the dirt that was getting kicked up by the tires was getting sucked in through this door and it's landing all over my lap. So I'm hoping that this will help it. It should do it a little bit. I know that we still have a big old gap right here, but I don't plan on putting any kind of window system right here. So for now, I like how this looks. It's a nice rigid plastic with a metal frame. All it is 3 bolts, 1, 2, and 3. Super easy to install, and it's pretty good. I think it turned out pretty good with that windshield. I've been definitely wanting a windshield for forever, and it's so nice driving at night, not having a whole bunch of bugs flying in your face because they're attracted to the light bar on the headlights. Just makes it more enjoyable. So I say definitely go get yourself a windshield if you're looking for your next upgrade for your Can-Am. It's a pretty good priced windshield compared to all the others on the market. I'll have links down below for the windshield and the door inserts. It just makes the Can-Am look a whole lot better with a windshield, and definitely with those door inserts. Just brings the whole thing together. Now the next things that we're gonna be doing, we got a blow-off valve coming. Dude, that thing is gonna sound nasty as hell. I got one of the best ones on the market, one of the loudest ones on the market, so I'm super excited about that. I was trying to get an exhaust going because you guys know I did this exhaust, and as you can see it moves because I kind of stripped out the clamp, so we're gonna have to get a new clamp with that. but we're gonna try and figure something out to do with this exhaust, and we're just gonna get this Can-Am ready to go riding, because I haven't really taken this thing riding. I went one time and it was a whole lot of fun, so I definitely want to get this thing geared up and ready to go hit the mud. Obviously with these tires we're not going to be able to go in really anything deep. I'm trying to get a snorkel kit going as well. And yeah, I appreciate you guys watching the videos and supporting the videos. Frank over there is still for sale. You guys were bummed out that we didn't get that Power Giant. I'm super bummed out that we didn't get the Power Giant, but life goes on and we'll find something else. Try to find maybe a first gen Cummins or something for real cheap, and yeah, we'll go from there. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Dippin Diesel out.